Hello friends. So now this is called real ease of doing business. I am very happy to see that NSE is continuing issuing its circulars for implementing single filing systems on the stock exchanges. So in the recent circular of 24th April 2026, where NSE has stated few items which comes under the single filing systems. I'm going to tell you one by one. So first of all is outcome of board meeting for dividend, buyback, bonus and voluntarily delisting events. So in this case you have to only file your XBRL sheet in one exchange, either in NSE or BSE, in whichever you are comfortable. Second is agreements, contracts, arrangements, MOU. It also covers under regulation 30. Next is notice of shareholder meetings. This is also like in single filing, comes under single filing. CIRP events, issuance, allotment, alteration, restriction or transferability of securities, awarding, begging, receiving, amendment or termination of orders not in the normal course of business, loss of share certificates, issue of duplicate share certificate. So this comes under the 25th April notifications. There is a separate notification of 20th April 2026 which I will cover in another video. So but you guys have seen this apostrophe mark. It means for the regulation 30, 29 and 39 and 30, you must have to file PDF in both the stock exchanges. Here you can see, please note that the listed entities will continue the PDF filing of the aforesaid events of regulation 29, 30 and 34(1)(a) and 39. You guys still have to file PDF in both exchanges, but the XBRL filing is comes under the single filing system for these particular regulations. I hope you understood my point. And one more thing which I want to tell, that the BRSR report, still you have to attach the PDF in your annual report, but the XBRL filing of the same comes under the single filing system. Thank you so much.